Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on iPad mini. So as you see, I already have the iPad mini in my hands, and all I'm gonna do just to add and remove home screen widgets, just press anywhere on the blank space of your home screen and hold it till you will see the minus, then click edit, then click add widget, click a random widget that you would like to select, and if you want to remove certain widgets, all you need to do is just click the minus, click remove and click done. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.